In this video, you are going to learn 3 ways of efficient collaboration using Whiteboard in a Teams meeting. So let's get started. On left side, we have assistant, right side, we have boss. Assistant is sharing the whiteboard. We'll start with a new whiteboard. Right now, we'll ignore the templates because templates is another video. Notice whatever I'm doing on the left side, the person on the right side can see. The other person can also see this. I don't want these to interfere, so I can go to the view menu and say focus on content. Whenever someone moves the cursor, everyone else can see that person moving the cursor. And it's equally important to tell everyone in the audience that don't do any mischief because your name is visible there. Alright, so I have put some text there and I'm explaining something. Oh, by the way, let me get rid of those dots. How do you do that? Go to Format Background and instead of dots you say solid. And it becomes blank. Now one of the common mistakes presenters do is they assume whatever I am showing as a presenter, everyone in the meeting is obviously seeing the same thing. Now that thought we get because in-person meetings, physical space, physical whiteboard, of course whatever you are showing, everyone can see. But here it's an electronic whiteboard. Other person can go to another view and move it around. And now what I'm showing, this person cannot see. So don't assume this. You make sure people are following you by clicking on this button. When you click on this, it will bring the whiteboard for everyone in view. So when you change something here, for example, I'm changing the zoom level, it will reflect there. If I say fit, it will fit there. If I add something, it will add it live. If I pan and then add something, it will exactly reflect it all over the place. That's what you want as a presenter. Even when you are doing whiteboarding, there are 2 types of whiteboarding. One is where you as a presenter are showing something, demonstrating, explaining, setting the context. During that period, we don't want other people to change the whiteboard. So when you are in demo mode, click on these 3 dots, or sometimes you see it as a sprocket or a wheel, and then say other participants cannot edit. Notice that on this side it became view only. Also notice one more thing. I have still enabled follow me, but this allowed this user to change the view. But then there is a button now called follow. Now I am following assistant and it's telling me explicitly that I am following the presenter. If I move away from it, it'll tell me that you are not following it. So I have shown some topics here and I want people to vote on the topics they like. How do you vote? You go there, hover, take the mouse cursor and then choose whatever you like. Now the problem is, as the audience, I cannot vote because participants are not allowed to edit. So now I can go here. I want participants to participate. So enable this and now I can edit everything and participate in voting. Very often whiteboarding kind of sessions have group activities and generally these activities are time bound. Here is another very useful tool, the timer. I can start the timer. Everyone will be able to see it, but I as a presenter can pause or stop it. Others will only see it. So to recap, what have we learned? Collaborative editing. Collaborative cursor should always be on. You can use follow or not follow depending on the situation. And for time-bound activities, use timer. So if you found this useful, first thing to do is try it out. Because unless you try it yourself, no amount of watching videos is going to give you the confidence and the conviction to use it in real life. And finally, if you found this content useful, like it, subscribe, click on the bell icon, put comments, tell me if I missed something, ask me questions. You can even suggest topics for future videos. I'll be happy to create them. Whiteboard is just one part of the meeting. This video will show you all the best practices related to effective Teams meetings. So that's it for now. Thank you.